Whoa! What was that? That wasn't you, but you could actually. There was a big round screen.
Yeah. I heard that.
What I didn't.
I smelled the tweak on Kirsty's thing when you were covered. That jumped quite that much.